explaining the distribution of forest in India. Discuss their socio-economic importance. According to India Forest Status Report 2021, there are total forest कितना है? Total forest area of 7,13,789 square kilometer, in which 21.71% of total geographical area of the country, which is मतलब इंडिया में 21.71% ऑफ जोग्राफिकल एरिया का फॉरेस्ट है. देयर इज़ ए वाइड इनइक्वालिटी इन देयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट in India on the basis of forest cover. State with high forest cover. देखो, this include states with more than 40% of cover, like all eastern state except Assam और अंडमान निकोबार, लक्षद्वीप, मिज़ोरम, चंडीगढ़, उत्तराखंड, केरला, गोवा, मणिपुर, मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, त्रिपुरा और सिक्किम. ठीक है. स्टेट विद मीडियम फॉरेस्ट कवर, दिस इंक्लूड जैसे जहाँ स्टेट में 20 से 40% फॉरेस्ट कवर है, यहाँ पे देखो अपन हिमाचल प्रदेश का नाम ले सकते हैं, असम, मध्य प्रदेश, झारखंड, कर्नाटक, तमिलनाडु, उड़ीसा, चंडीगढ़, जम्मू कश्मीर, दादर नगर हवेली, दमन दीव. ठीक है. रीजन विद लो फॉरेस्ट कवर, यहाँ पे जिसमें 10 से 20% फॉरेस्ट कवर हो, जैसे महाराष्ट्र हो गया, तेलंगाना, आंध्रा, वेस्ट बंगाल, दिल्ली और पुडुचेरी. और रीजन विद लो फॉरेस्ट कवर, इन दिस रीजन फॉरेस्ट ग्रो ऑन लेस देन 10% ऑफ एरिया. राजस्थान, पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, गुजरात, Ladakh have been included in this category. Socio-economic importance of forest. Forest provide food to people, fodder and shelter for animals, fuel for rural population, and industries and raw material for forest-based industries. It is the basis of life for tribal population in India. Forests are major source of oxygen. During pandemic of COVID-19, we realized the value of forest. Forests provide direct and indirect employment to millions of people across the world. Forest tourism, wood industry, pulp and paper industry, etc. provide employment opportunity. Forests provide an important source of livelihood in rural area. They provide food, fuel, wood, fodder, and other essential resources. Forests play an important role in climate change mitigation by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They also help in regulation of water cycle and reduce the risks of flood and drought. They play an important role in conserving biodiversity and protecting endangered species. देखो हम क्या देख रहे हैं. देखो ये हो गया. फॉरेस्ट प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन क्लाइमेट चेंज मिटिगेशन बाय ऑब्जर्विंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर. They also help in regular water cycle and reduce risks of flood and drought. समझ आ गया. They play an important role in conserving biodiversity and protecting endangered species. This can be said on the basis of above detail that the distribution of forest is not uniform. The reason of which is disparity in climate and soil related characteristics across India. Although forests are very important for socio and economic point of view. Explain the effects of multi-purpose project on water supply system. Multi-purpose river valley project are projects serving more than one purpose, which play a major role in economy and development of a country. They have many purpose like irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply for drinking and industrial purposes. देखो, they have many purposes like irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply for drinking and industrial purpose, etc. These projects have significant impact on water supply system, both positive and negative. Positive impact क्या है? Multi-purpose projects provide a reliable source of water for irrigation, which helps increase agriculture productivity and food security. For example, 5.51 lakh hectare of land is irrigated through 5.51 lakh hectare of land is irrigated through Damodar Valley projects. They provide a clean and renewable source of energy in the form of hydropower. For example, obtained about India obtained about 46,850 megawatt, मतलब 11.4% energy from hydropower project. They help regulate river flow, reduce risk of flood, and improve water quality. They also provide water for domestic and industrial use, thereby improving the quality of life of people living in protected area. Negative impact: multi-purpose projects disrupt natural flow of river, thereby affecting aquatic ecosystem. Due to canal irrigation in northwestern region of India, there is a problem of waterlogging and sanitation. Due to canal irrigation in northwestern region of India, there is a problem of waterlogging and salination, which is one of its negative consequence. Development of multi-purpose projects cause displacement of people and has a negative impact on cultural heritage. देखो, development of multi-purpose projects causes displacement of people and has a negative impact on cultural heritage of the project area. The displaced people of Sardar Sarovar project has been opposing it. Narmada Bachao Andolan was its result. देखिए, development of multi-purpose projects cause displacement of people and has a negative impact on cultural heritage of protected area. The displaced people of Sardar Sarovar project have been opposing it. Narmada Bachao Andolan is the result of it. The overall impact of multi-purpose project on water supply system depends on several factors, including the design of project, environment condition of project area, and the management of project. It is important to carefully consider the potential impact of multi-purpose project before implementing them. In view of limiting of water at present, discuss the importance of new irrigation method. ठीक है, India is an agriculture country which accounts for about 90% of water consumption. Irrigation shortage is increasing in many parts of country. Farmers are facing difficulties in cultivating crops. According to report 2015 by World Resource Institution based in America, about 54% people living in India are already facing वाटर शॉर्टेज. ये कौन है? वाटर रिसोर्स इंस्टीट्यूशन, जिसने 2015 में बोला था अबाउट 54% ऑफ पीपल लिविंग इन इंडिया आर ऑलरेडी फेसिंग वाटर शॉर्टेज. इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ न्यू इरीगेशन मेथड इन व्यू ऑफ वाटर शॉर्टेज. सबसे पहला क्या है? वाटर हेल्प इंक्रीज प्रोडक्टिविटी विच इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस्ड पर यूनिट ऑफ वाटर यूज्ड. मतलब प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. अमाउंट ऑफ क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस पर यूनिट ऑफ वाटर यूज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, वाटर कंजम्पशन इज रिड्यूस्ड बाय 20 to 40% थ्रू ड्रिप इरीगेशन. It can help reduce water loss due to evaporation, runoff, and deep seepage. For example, drip irrigation is suitable for water use as per requirement. These methods help improve crop yield by providing water to plants when they need. For example, with sprinkler irrigation, the crop is available to utilize 80 to 90% of water. These methods are less environmental impact than traditional method. For example, drip irrigation and underground drip irrigation can reduce soil erosion and water pollution. This system can monitor soil moisture and water need of plant. This system can monitor soil moisture and water need of plants, which can help in scheduling irrigation time and improving water use efficiency. This system is very important for arid and semi-arid area. For example, a drip irrigation program has been implemented in Gujarat, which has increased water productivity by 50%. In this era of environmental challenges like increasing global warming and climate change, micro irrigation is highly beneficial. The demand for water is increasing due to population growth, climate change, and industrialization. Besides, the availability of fresh water is also decreasing. This is why it is important to adopt new irrigation methods that are more efficient and sustainable. अब आते हैं डिस्क्राइब द चैलेंजेस फेसिंग वाटर describe the challenges facing water conservation and storage in India. How is water conservation and storage being done by adopting traditional method of rainwater harvesting in modern times? According to Water Management Index of Niti Aayog, currently 60 crore people in India are facing situation of high water stress. ठीक है, वाटर मैनेजमेंट इंडेक्स इतना 60 करोड़ facing the situation of high water stress. India's increasing population and climate change can further increase the water shortage. Main challenges of water conservation and storage. India is growing at an alarming rate of 1.2% per year. This is putting pressure on water resources of the country. Rapid urbanization is taking place in India. Cities require more water for drinking, sanitation, and industrial use. Climate change is causing more irregular rainfall pattern and more complex weather events such as drought and flood. Groundwater is being overexploited for irrigation and drinking water, due to which the water level is falling. The water pollution caused by industrial effluent, agriculture runoff, and sewage in India. One of the objective of dam is water conservation and storage. The challenges of dam are like an obstacle in this context. Many people in India are not aware of importance of water conservation or benefits of rainwater harvesting. Water conservation and storage by adopting traditional rainwater harvesting method in modern time. In ancient India, along with excellent water structure, water storage tank were also built. In ancient time, along with the excellent water structure, water storage tank were also built. In hilly and mountain area, people use vessels like Gul or Kul, western Himalayan region, for irrigation. The method of rooftop rainwater harvesting is a common method for drinking water in western Rajasthan. Tamil Nadu is the first state in India to make rooftop rainwater harvesting method mandatory for all the. देखो, Tamil Nadu is the first state in India to make rooftop rainwater harvesting mandatory for all households across the state. Floodwater canal are used for irrigation in floodplain area in West Bengal. In arid and semi-arid area, pits are made to collect rainwater, and the conserved water is used for farming. For example, Khaden is made in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and Johad is made in other area. Khaden and Johad. In the semi-arid and arid area of Rajasthan, especially Falodi, Bikaner, Vamer, etc., almost every household has underground tank or pond for storing drinking water. In Meghalaya, water from rivers and springs are used through bamboo drip irrigation system. Traditional method of water conservation and storage are also important from the point of view of cost and ease of use. from the point of view of cost and ease of use, which can play a major role in eliminating the water crisis. For this, emphasis need to be laid on adopting these methods and increasing awareness among the people. What are the reasons for unequal distribution of population in the world? Describe the step that can be taken to control the global population growth. Population means the total number of people or residents living in a country or region. However, like other resources, population is also unequally distributed across the world. For example, about 90% of world population lives only about 30% of world land area. Some regions such as South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia, Europe are highly populated area, while some regions such as high latitude region of Russia and Canada, equatorial forest region, tropical desert, and high mountain region are sparsely populated. Major reason responsible for unequal distribution of population across the world, पहला है geographical factor जैसे topography, climate, soil, water and minerals. Topography play an important role in uneven distribution of population. People prefer to live more in the plain because farming, manufacturing and service activity are more likely to occur there. For example, the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, Hwanghae, Changjing and Egyptian plain are highly populated, while Himalayan and rocky area are low populated. Social, cultural and economic factors. Social, cultural and economic factor also play an important role in unequal distribution of population. Area with better housing, health facility and social security have more population. For example, industrial area like Mumbai and Osaka are densely populated where there are employment opportunity. Conversely, socially stressed area tends to have lower population. Climate also affects the distribution of population. Area with high temperature and cold climate has lower population, while area with a tropical and temperate climate have while area with a tropical and temperate climate have a higher population. Soil देखो, fertile soil which is suitable for agriculture has more population. For example, the Ganga plain and Brahmaputra plain are densely populated. Water availability of fresh water also cause uneven distribution of population. Places like river valley have more population while desert have less population. Minerals. Exploration of minerals deposit and their production provide employment opportunity, which may result in change in unequal distribution of population. Social and cultural factor. Social and cultural factor also influence the distribution of population due to religious and cultural activities taken place at important places. The population there is high. At present, many measures are being adopted to control population growth in most of the country of world, including India, because British economist Malthus said the principle of population, that population is increasing in double speed while resources are increasing in normal pace. As a result, population double every 5 years, 25 years. ठीक है. Population control measure. In order to curb population growth in India, the government has implementing the National Family Planning Program. The family program was formulated in 2000 with the long-term objective of achieving population stabilization by the year of 2045. According to United Nations population growth projection, the world population will exceed 9.7 billion by 2050 and 10.4 billion by 2100. The United Nations further say that if fertility rate was halved globally, on average there would be one less child in every second family, which could prevent population growth of 1 billion by 2050 and about 3.5 billion by the end of century. ठीक है. For example, Thailand reduced its fertility rate, average number of child per woman, by almost 75% in just 2 generations, with a target targeted creative and ethical population program helping it grow economically. In last 10 years alone fertility rate of Asia declined by about 10%. ठीक है, आते हैं overcoming barrier to contraceptive. About half of all pregnancies are unintended. Currently, more than 200 million women who want to avoid pregnancy are not using modern contraceptive. There are many reasons for this, including lack of access, concern about side effect, and social pressure not to use it. Quality education for all. There is a direct correlation. There is a direct correlation between the number of years a woman spend in education and number of child she has. According to one study, African women with no education has 5.4 child, while women who had completed secondary school have 2.7, and those who has received college education has 2.2 child. These family size is smaller. When family size is smaller, it is empower women to pursue education, work, and improve economic opportunity. At present, increasing marine pollution has given rise to ecological challenge. What efforts are being made by government to deal with it? देखो, ocean cover about more than 70% of world and play an important role in sustaining life, but large scale dumping of waste into ocean is causing serious damage to the marine life. Marine pollution, also known as ocean pollution, is spreading harmful substances such as oil, plastic, industrial, agricultural waste, chemical particles into the ocean. Ecological challenge caused by marine pollution. Millions of tons of plastic waste are the problem for industries like shipping, fishing, aquaculture, marine tourism. According to IUCN, at least 8 million tons of plastic end up in ocean every year. ठीक है, this cause damage to marine biodiversity like phytoplankton, zooplankton, algae, coral reef, fish world, mammals, etc. are affected by oil pollution. Marine pollution prevents sunlight from reaching the depth, which adversely affect the photosynthesis process and growth of many aquatic plants. Marine plastic pollution harm the blue economy, causing billions of dollars in losses. Marine pollution is the cause of coral bleaching and harmful health impact of plastic pollution and stress brought by tides on residents of coastal areas. Marine pollution are affected the salinity and specific heat capacity of ocean water, due to which the heat budget of earth become unbalanced. Government effort to tackle marine pollution. देखो, efforts at global level. The GLOLITER partnership program and the global action plan to protect the marine environment from land-based activity address reducing marine plastic waste and conserving aquatic ecosystem. Additionally, international conventions such as Marpol Convention 1973 and London Convention 1972 emphasize practical effort to prevent ocean pollution, and environmental NGO जैसे Greenpeace is dedicated to the conservation of ocean and marine life. India specific देखो, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल 2016 make every local body responsible for setting up infrastructure for segregation, collection, processing, and disposal of plastic waste. The concept of extended producer responsibility was introduced through the plastic waste management rule 2018. In January 2019, a letter of intent was signed to establish the India-Norway marine pollution initiatives. An attempt was made to impose a complete ban on single-use plastic in the country to make it free from single-use plastic by the year 2022. In the same year, Clean Sea, Safe Sea campaign was started from Juhu Beach in Mumbai, which is related to coastal cleaning. To address the challenge of marine pollution, ocean health must be considered as a global issue, and all countries must work together to implement Sustainable Development Goal of 14. ठीक है. The Indian Ocean is important for India, but various challenges exist for it. How does recently held sixth Indian Ocean Conference pave the way to deal with these challenges? देखो, conference is being held annually since 2016 to bring together important state and major marine partner of region on a common platform to deliberate on possibilities of ocean cooperation for security and development of all in the Indian Ocean region. India's border of 7500 kilometer is connected with Indian Ocean. Along with the increasing interference of world superpower, pace and stability in the Indian Ocean region has becoming important for India. This conference is an important step in this direction. Importance of Indian Ocean for India. Longest maritime boundary. ठीक है. Securing sea lane of communication. The three major sea lane of communication in the Indian Ocean play an important role in energy security and economic prosperity. SLOC मतलब sea lane of communication is a sea route connecting the Red Sea to Indian Ocean through Bab e Mandab Strait. It conduct most of the India's international trade with its major trading partner in Europe and America. SLOC connect the Persian Gulf to the India through Strait of Hormuz. The bulk of energy export to major import destinations such as India, Asia and East Asia go through this route. SLOC connect the India and Pacific Ocean through Strait of Malacca. Integral for smooth flow of trade with Asian, Eastern Asia, Russia's Far East region and US. Indian Ocean region transports 75% of world maritime trade and 50% of daily oil consumption. मेजर चैलेंजेस. सबसे पहला है जियोपॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन. इंडियन ओशन रीजन इज ए हॉटस्पॉट फॉर जियोपॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन बिटवीन मेजर पावर एंड रीजनल एक्टर. कंपटीशन इन्वॉल्व स्ट्रेटेजिक इंटरेस्ट, इन्फ्लुएंस एंड एक्सेस टू रिसोर्सेज लीडिंग टू टेंशन एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. चाइनाज मिलिटराइजेशन. China has been a challenge for India's interest and stability in the region. Ocean neighbors are receiving military and infrastructure assistance from the China, including submarines for Myanmar, frigate for Sri Lanka, and its overseas military base in Djibouti, Horn of Africa. Also, China has control over Hambantota Port, Sri Lanka, which is few miles away from India. Maritime security. IOR is vulnerable to various maritime security threats, including piracy, smuggling, and illegal fishing and terrorism. Also, the vastness of Indian Ocean make it challenging to effectively monitor and protect its maritime domain. ठीक है. Environmental pollution, environmental challenges. Effort क्या है? Connectivity. India has a great difficulty in establishing land connectivity with Southeast Asia. Despite the challenges, collective effort has been called to remove bottleneck and improve connectivity. The Indian External Affairs Ministry emphasized the potential game-changing impact of establishing an effective and efficient connectivity with the Association of ASEAN. ठीक है. Upholding legal obligation and agreement. Ignoring legal obligation or violating long-standing agreement can lead to loss of trust and confidence among the member. The framework of effort to develop a long-term vision of cooperation to ensure continuous progress. Sustainable project and death. Unsustainable death created by unviable project is a concern for countries like Sri Lanka. Encouraging transport loan practices and considering market reality to avoid complications in coming areas. Shared responsibility and theme. The need of shared responsibility and focus effort to ensure stability and prosperity in Indian Ocean region. Emphasize. Conference also highlight the importance of climate action and counter-terrorism initiative. Countries should ensure necessary solution to deal with threats posed by extremism and radicalism. ठीक है.